The real estate market in Egypt is extremely potential. The real estate and construction sector resembles like 20% of Egypt's GDP. Egypt is 1 million square kilometers, having a population of 120 million, increasing annually by 3%. And we have the infrastructure, we have the coastlines, we have the tourism attractions, and also we have the high appreciation and growth rates on real estate, which are all fundamentals anyone buying real estate is looking for in a strong market. We're coming from a background that we care a lot about the people we're working with. We care a lot about creating a healthy culture for them in order to improve and elevate their performance. KW is all about this. It's all about the culture. It's an agent-centric company. They're focused on learning and education and technology to elevate the performance of not only the agents working within the umbrella of KW, but also the business owners. KW has it all.